It's now time for the Business Beat. Mitch Kieran filling in for Becky T, but now I'm talking with Miss Nikki Steen over at the Wound and Hyperbaric Healing Center in Windham. So how's it going today, Nikki?
It's going great today.
Well, fantastic. So this is the first time I'm talking with you on the Business Beat. Do you kind of want to educate me about the process that you do in the treatments at the Wound and Hyperbaric Healing Center?
Absolutely. The Wound and Hyperbaric Center, we are open here at Windham Area Health. We are a comprehensive physician-based wound care center. So that means that we have providers here that see patients, diagnose patients, and we can do all of the treatments here. We look at all different kinds of wounds like diabetic ulcers, pressure ulcers, traumatic wounds, burns, vascular problems. Whatever could cause a wound, we're here to work with that. And we're here to follow the steps to get that wound into a good healing process. We use all kinds of things to help us heal wounds. We do surgical debridements. We have specialized wound dressings. We do bioskin and tissue transplants. Some casting. We do some casting sometimes to keep the pressure off some of those areas of wounds. And we also use hyperbaric medicine as another adjunctive therapy to help heal wounds.
Wonderful.
So, yeah.
So I believe you mentioned to me it was as now the month of September. Hopefully, we finally get some fall weather. But it's also September is Peripheral Artery Disease Awareness Month, like you mentioned.
It is Peripheral Artery Disease Month, or PAD is what it stands for. And what that means is that there's a narrowing of the peripheral arteries, or the arteries mostly in the legs. And when those legs are not getting good blood flow, it puts people at risk for wounds. So people who smoke, people with diabetes, they are more apt to have peripheral artery disease. So in our clinic this month, we are encouraging purple pedicures to bring awareness to peripheral artery disease.
That's fun.
Mm-hmm.
Very fun.
Yes, PAD, it affects 1 in 8 people. So we really want to bring awareness that there are vascular problems that we can help with. And there's wounds that develop, and we can help heal those as well.
Wonderful there, Nikki. So if patients might be suffering from these type of wounds or this type of disease, how can they, where can they come and find you at? How can they get a hold of you?
Yes, they can find us. We're right in Windham Area Health. We are a clinic in here. Our phone number is 507-831-0686. Patients can call themselves. They can self-refer. Family members can refer. Primary doctors, surgeons. Anyone can make an appointment here to be seen and evaluated and helped to find their course of treatment for healing.
Fantastic. Well, Nikki, thank you very much for educating me about the Wound and Hyperbaric Healing Center today. That was Nikki Steen today on the Business Beat. Thank you very much for talking to me, Nikki.